owning a car isn't just about how it feels on day one. It's about how it holds up over years of daily driving. Some machines age gracefully, staying reliable and relatively affordable to maintain, while others demand constant attention and keep your wallet on edge. When you put different approaches to engineering and design head-to-head, the differences become clear over time. Today, we will talk about German versus Japanese cars. Long-term ownership test. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. German versus Japanese cars. Long-term ownership test. Choosing between German and Japanese cars for long-term ownership is a question many buyers face in 2026. German vehicles such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Porsche are lauded for luxury, performance, and advanced engineering. Japanese brands like Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Lexus are known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and lower maintenance costs. Long-term ownership involves more than purchase price. It includes depreciation, maintenance, repair costs, insurance, fuel, and resale value. A German car may offer a thrilling driving experience and premium features, but its maintenance and repair costs can be significantly higher. Japanese cars, while perhaps less flashy, generally deliver predictable reliability, longevity, and lower overall cost of ownership. This article will compare both sides, examining real-world scenarios and metrics to determine which type of vehicle makes more sense for long-term ownership in 2026. 2. Depreciation patterns. Depreciation is a key factor in long-term ownership. German cars tend to lose value faster than Japanese vehicles in the first 5 years. For instance, a new BMW 5 Series may lose 40 to 50% of its value in just 5 years, while a Toyota Camry might depreciate only 25 to 30%. The initial luxury premium of German cars quickly diminishes, whereas Japanese cars retain resale value due to reputation for reliability and lower repair costs. This makes Japanese vehicles more predictable financially over long-term ownership, as owners avoid steep depreciation losses while still enjoying a well-engineered vehicle. 3. Maintenance costs. Comparison. Maintenance is often where the two diverge dramatically. German cars, with their complex engines, turbocharging, electronic systems, and air suspension, require specialized labor and premium parts, resulting in higher service costs. A BMW or Mercedes can easily cost twice as much to maintain as a Toyota or Honda. Japanese cars rely on simpler, proven mechanical designs, making parts more affordable and repairs easier. Over a 10-year ownership period, maintenance savings can total thousands of dollars, making Japanese cars more cost-effective for long-term ownership. 4. Reliability over time. Reliability is a decisive factor for long-term ownership. Japanese cars have long-standing reputations for lasting 200,000 to 300,000 miles with minimal major repairs. Toyota 2JZ, Honda K-Series, and Mazda Skyactiv engines are examples of enduring designs. German vehicles, while well-engineered, can face issues as they age. Turbocharged engines, dual-clutch transmissions, and complex electronics often fail after moderate mileage if not meticulously maintained. Reliability differences strongly influence total ownership cost and peace of mind. 5. Fuel economy and efficiency. Japanese cars often outperform German cars in fuel efficiency, particularly non-hybrid and hybrid models. Vehicles like the Toyota Camry Hybrid or Honda Accord Hybrid deliver 45 to 50 miles per gallon, while German sedans and SUVs average 25 to 30 miles per gallon. Over tens of thousands of miles, fuel savings can add up significantly, further lowering total ownership costs. German cars prioritize performance, which often sacrifices fuel economy, whereas Japanese vehicles balance economy and drivability. 6. Insurance and additional costs. Insurance premiums are typically higher for German vehicles due to their luxury status, replacement cost, and performance capabilities. Japanese cars tend to be cheaper to insure, lowering ongoing costs for long-term ownership. Additional costs such as tires, brakes, and specialized tools for repairs also favor Japanese vehicles, further emphasizing the cost advantage in long-term ownership scenarios. 7. Resale value and longevity. While German cars depreciate faster initially, certain performance or limited edition models may retain value well. However, most standard German sedans lose significant value over time, while Japanese vehicles maintain predictable resale values thanks to their reputation for reliability. Long-term owners of Japanese cars often recover more of their initial investment, making them financially safer in the long run. 8. Driving experience versus practicality. German cars often provide superior handling, acceleration, and luxury features, making them enjoyable to drive. Japanese cars focus on practicality, reliability, and comfort, with many sporty models like the Mazda MX-5 or Toyota GR86 offering fun without excessive cost. Long-term ownership requires balancing driving enjoyment with maintenance costs. German vehicles excel in excitement. Japanese vehicles excel in value and predictability. 9. Real-world ownership examples. Consider a 2026 BMW 3 Series versus a Toyota Camry over 10 years. The BMW might have higher performance and luxury but incur $15,000 to $20,000 in maintenance and repairs, plus higher insurance. The Camry offers lower cost, predictable maintenance, and longer service life, with savings easily exceeding $10,000 to $15,000 over the same period. These examples illustrate why Japanese cars often outperform German counterparts financially in long-term ownership. 10. Which wins for long-term ownership? For long-term ownership in 2026, Japanese cars generally provide the better financial outcome due to lower maintenance costs, higher reliability, superior fuel efficiency, lower insurance, and predictable resale value. German cars offer luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but come with higher long-term expenses and greater risk of costly repairs. Buyers must weigh their priorities: excitement and prestige versus practicality and cost efficiency. For most drivers, Japanese vehicles are the smart choice for stress-free, affordable, and reliable long-term ownership. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.